Welcome to Maths with Esomnofu. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this Maths Olympiad problem we have on the board. Please like and subscribe for more exciting maths tips for you. Okay, we are expected to solve. We have solution. We are given that x plus y is equals to 10 and xy is equals to 21. So the first thing we have to do in this problem is to make either x or y the subject of the formula. I would like to make y subject of the formula. So to make y subject of the formula, I minus x from both sides from the first equation. So I can say that y is equals to 10 minus x. Okay, so we can name this equation 3. This one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Okay, so I will now substitute y to be equals to 10 minus x in equation 2. So equation 2 is xy is 21. So if I substitute y to be that, it means x into 10 minus x is equals to 21. Okay, on this note, you can now see we have to open the bracket, and to open bracket we have to use x to multiply everything inside the bracket. To do that, x times 10 is 10x and x times minus x is minus x squared, and that's equals to 21. Okay, so let's write it in a proper quadratic formula form. We have it that we can write it as minus x squared plus 10x is equals to 21. So we have to bring 21 inside here. That is by subtracting it from both sides. Minus x squared plus 10x minus 21 is 0. To remove this, the minus will be transferred to every term in the equation. So to remove it is very easy to do. So have it that x squared, if you multiply by x minus 10x, then plus 21 is equals to 0. So this is clearly a quadratic equation. So we are going to solve the quadratic equation. I'm going to use general quadratic formula, which says that x, what's happening? Which says that in general quadratic formula, we have that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you have any other method that can solve this, you can drop it in the comments. So if you have this, from this, our a is the coefficient of x squared, our b is the coefficient of x, and our c is the last term. So we have it that x is equals to minus 10 plus or minus the square root of b is also minus 10 all squared, then minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 21. Okay, then divided by 2 times 1. And this is x is equals to, x is now equal to minus 10 is 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 21 is 84. So if you do the subtraction over 2, if you do the subtraction, x is now equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 84 is 16 over 2. And thus x is equals to 10 plus or minus, if you take the square root of 16, you have 4 over 2. That means for the two possible solutions of x, x is equals to 10 plus 4 over 2, or we have 10 minus 4 over 2. And that will give you that x is equals to 10 plus 4 is 14 over 2, or we'll say 6 over 2. 14 over 2 will give you 7, and 6 over 2 will give you 3. So these are the two possible values for what? X. So you can now see, we know that y is equals to 10 minus x. So at x is equals to 7, y will be equal to 10 minus 7. And 10 minus 7 is 3. Then at x is equals to 3, you have y is equals to 10 minus 3. That means y is equals to 7. So the two possible solutions for x is that x is equals to 7 or 10, x is equals to 7 or 3, then y is equal to 3 or 7. And that's the possible solutions for x. Okay? So if you found the video interesting, like and share for more math tips like this.